This is Boris reporting from NYMEX, and the biggest story in the currency market today is the euro dollar, which hit 2-week highs in early London trade and continued to trade strong through the New York session. The biggest reason for the rise was the uber hawkishness from a whole bunch of ECB officials who basically let the market know that the taper of QE is coming sooner rather than later. That really put the bid under the euro because the market really thought that the ECB would be much more dovish given all of the turmoil going on in the Eurozone right now, especially with Italy, which is still experiencing lots of issues with a new government that threatens to put Italian sovereign debt at risk. However, at this point, the ECB officials have decided that the Eurozone economy as a whole is performing well enough for them to basically begin to curtail QE and to essentially sideline the Italian situation and ignore it for the time being. That certainly has created a very big rally in the euro and pretty much set a bottom at the 115 level for the time being. Now next week, attention is going to turn to the ECB meeting with Governor Draghi, or President Draghi, essentially going to be the focus of attention as everybody's going to want to know exactly when and how the taper is going to take place. If indeed he confirms that the ECB is going to essentially stop asset buying in September, that should provide further boost to the euro and could possibly take the pair all the way up to the 120 level. But overall, on a long-term basis, all of the secular problems in the Eurozone continue to persist, and Italy is still a very, very sore spot and continues to be a big risk for traders. So for now, the bounce is there, but it may not last for a very long time. That's the biggest story in the currency market today. This is Boris Schlossberg from NYMEX.